Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching on YouTube and you are here for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me to engage with my channel with your like, comment and sharing so that the YouTube algorithm can always recommend my channel and videos to others. Please help me to grow and reach more people. If you are watching on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, please like and follow my page for more videos. Help me to reach more people so that the Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok algorithm can always recommend my pages and videos to others. Thank you as you do. So today's video is carrot, lemon pea and orange pea oil using baby Johnson oil, and I will be making it in two method way, and I will be talking about just the benefits of the carrot, lemon pea and orange pea oil. This homemade carrot, lemon pea and orange pea oil is powerful blend enriched with natural ingredients to nourish and improve skin health. It carefully preserved with vitamin E and grapeseed oil to maintain its freshness and potency. Here is why this oil is beneficial for your skin. Benefit of the oil: carrot oil packed with beta carotene and vitamin A. Carrot oil help rejuvenate the skin, improve elasticity and promote healthy glow. It also provides antioxidants that fight free radical, reducing signs of ages. Lemon pea oil high in vitamin C and citric acid. Lemon pea oil brighten the skin and help reduce dark spots and blemishes. Its natural astringent properties can also help to tighten pores. Orange pea oil rich in vitamin C. Orange pea oil revitalize the skin, leaving it fresh, refreshed, and radiant. It has antibacterial property, helping to keep the skin clean and clear. Baby Johnson oil act as a gentle moisturizing base, looking in hydration for soft and smooth skin. Vitamin E preserve the oil and enhance its skin repairing properties by providing deep hydration and reducing sky or blemishes. Grapeseed oil, a lightweight oil rich in antioxidants and vitamin E. It boosts skin elasticity and help prevent clot, clot pore. This carefully crafted oil is perfect addition to your skincare routine. It blend of natural ingredients, hydrate, brighten, and rejuvenate the skin while being preserved for long time. Use with vitamin E and grapeseed oil. Use it daily to enjoy smoother, healthier, and more radiant skin. Thanks for watching. Please, if you love this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share with friends, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Like and follow my page. Guys, I use this oil for my kids and for myself, and it glows very well. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.